Good morning, ma'am. This is Gifty S. John from BCom Honors. So, I am here to present on the topic talent management. What is talent? Talent is a unique ability possessed by an individual. It is a inner capability which is inbuilt in us. Talent is a inner quality that emerges effortlessly. So, what is talent management then? Talent management is nothing but managing the ability, competency, and power of employees within the organization. It is not about filling vacancies, but also it is concerned with the employee's entire life cycle from searching for and hiring the best person for a position through training, optimizing performance, and identifying opportunities for the employees to develop and advance their career. Recruitment, selection, training, these all are the part of talent management. Types of talent. There are two types of talent. First, unidimensional talent. Second, multidimensional talent. So, what is unidimensional talent? Unidimensional talent is a talent where the person has a particular skills and ability. That is, he or she is expert in one task only, maybe designing, sales, etc. Whereas multidimensional talent is nothing but, as the name itself it says, multi, that is, the person has multiple skills and ability. That is, he or she can perform multiple tasks at a time, maybe production, accounting, all together. Now, most of them will think why talent management is important. Talent management is important in many ways. First, right person, right job. If right person is assigned for the right job, then the employee will perform a particular task effectively as well as efficiently. Second, retaining the top talent. If a person has good creativity, skills, or can do good decision, then the person must be helpful in retaining. Third, customer satisfaction. If the employee is talented and the talent management is properly utilized, then the customer satisfaction can be easily analyzed. Fourth, company revenue. If right person is assigned, then the turnover of the company will increase. Fifth point, better professional development decision. If the management grasp about a particular employee where the person is talented, it helps in better professional development. Now I am going to present the data of talent management in India. The COVID-19 pandemic adversely impacted economies across the Asia Pacific, including India. India entered 2020 with robust hiring activities. However, the pandemic led to a dip in hiring activities by 18% in 2020. With that said, optimism is already starting to show. About 53% of companies in India is looking to increase their headcounts in 2021. At last, I would like to say genius does what it must and talent does what it can. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.